Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I will unboxing this it is one. So as you can see that, okay, I'm gonna unbox this game card for my Nintendo 3DS and DS. So let's gonna open it up. Okay, so yes, I am so excited is because it is now arrived and I can also play the game. And also yes, it has also some Pokemon cartridge. So look at that, there's also a cartridge on it. So okay, there's a lot more from it. So okay, there you have it. So there you have it, guys. So I'm gonna one by one. So here it goes. This is a Pokemon Pearl, and also the diamond, and also gonna take this barcode so that you can see the game. So this is the game. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. So this is the Soul Silver edition. Okay, and then also has the platinum version on it. So there's a platinum version, and this one is, so this one is the, okay, so this one is the hard gold version. So okay, this is the hard gold edition. So as you can see, this Pikachu and Eevee on it. So I think this is the combination of Pokemon Let's Go, Pikachu and Eevee. So I think that was it. So and okay, so what else I'm gonna try? So this one I'm gonna try it out. So I'm gonna try it on my, I'm gonna try it on, okay, there's an SD card. So okay, there's an SD card. Okay, I don't okay, there's an SD card. So I'm gonna check this first. Also I'm gonna check the other also. Okay, I'm gonna check the other. Okay, there's also an SD card on it. So as you can see, an SD card, and yes, SD card, and also there, this one also an SD card. There's also one SD card on it. So and also the last one. Okay, there's also an SD card. So okay, I'm gonna try it out first in my DS Lite. So okay, let's gonna try it out. Okay, so there's a okay, so I'm gonna try this heart gold. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out, and then okay, yes, look at that heart in gold. Yes, only one game in a DS card. So I am so really excited. Whoa, look at that. It is really the original game for the hard gold. So start. Oh, it's how, oh yes, that's right. This is the first game. So I think this is the first game. And also this the yellow button. So I will tell you about it. Pistachio init navigated about the lower screen. Okay, no info needed. Okay, okay, look at that. So, Okay, it's Professor O. Okay everyone, so this is the continuation of the game. So here we go. It is already okay. So it is already working. So as you can see, the game is already working. So and now I'm gonna test it on my 3DS. Okay, I'm gonna save it. Okay, okay, there you have it. I already so there you have it. I already saved the game, and let's gonna try it on my 3DS. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on my 3DS. Sorry, wait, cause I am not trying to no. So it means this is not, it's not gonna work with my 3DS. It's not compatible with my 3DS. So all I'm gonna have to do is this one. So I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna take this game. I'm gonna take out this SD card. So and then I'm gonna transfer it in here. So I'm gonna transfer it in here, and then I'm gonna put this I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna try to put it back, and then let's gonna try to open it up if it is gonna work. Okay, so this is another way to test it out. Okay, so okay, there you go. There you have it. With it's already working with another cartridge. So this cartridge is only meant for DS. So as you can see, it's meant for DS. It's not compatible with 3DS. So as you can see, I can play the game. Okay, so I never hold down the power button to turn it up, and then turn it again. So hold down the power button. Okay, there's something wrong. Okay, so I don't know. So I'm gonna try to do it again. So if it's gonna work. Okay, so there's something wrong with the cartridge, I think, but it's still working. So let's gonna try to. There you go. There you have it. It's already working. As you can see, this is the menu of the DS, of the ROM, of the one that I have been replacing. So here it goes, and I can play now. This is my way of using it. It's because I don't know how to troubleshoot. So that's why I created my own style of I created my own style. Okay, so watch out for is watch out for is because I'm gonna make a follow-up video for this. Okay, I'm gonna make a follow-up video for this. So um okay, so okay, so here it goes. It's already working. So okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Okay, so thank you so much for it, and I hope you enjoy.